Hey guys, so this is another video for WC, and we are just at their office. The office is not very small, so trying to get to their office. Yeah. All right, so this is a showroom. Warehouse not down, but these are showroom different types of WCs. Wow. This. See. If you're interested, any type of beer will be no? This one still is available. You can place and request the order. Is it? Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah, so here.
Also, Tornado. Tornado is our nearest rush.
Oh, okay.
These are two-piece toilets.
Okay. So guys, these are some of the WC more different types, different version. Some are very beautiful. And if you're also looking for this kind of products, you can also come inside. The Supplier has a very good and quality stuff over here. They're very nice, very beautiful ones, and different types as well. Yeah. Materiality. Yeah. I believe you have catalog, right?
What?
Catalog.
Catalog.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Okay.
I will give you
Okay.
all you want.
Well, this is for the like this and connect. This is one.
Okay.
So the menu
Almost showroom yet. Showroom ke 12. Wow, very nice place, Charlie. So they have electric one over here. With the mom person quite the guitar, so most of them will say, wow, automatically. They just open automatically as soon as you get closer. Wow. Yeah, so all these versions and types are here. We have the catalog right now. See, based on what you want, the type now we're opening as with my day. I'll reach you out then. We sort you out. The place is very big. Almost factory down. If you have alcohol, how almost senior packaging. But then this is just the showroom. So in case you have any visitor and a client to be about, this is where you come to view their individual products somewhere then. Almost one.
A container so that cannot be vacant. Okay. 4.
Okay.
Box.
Okay. Is he calling me?
What?
You were saying something.
These are wow.
Oh, okay. So one hand basin. Yeah, so the Mohun video and they have a lot of types, different types, and they are with catalogs. So irrespective of what you want, you can just choose from the catalog. Yeah. You get down and go to the warehouse and see that place as well. Yeah. No, okay.
We have 60 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, your core warehouse also. So where are you going? Yeah. Yeah. So your core warehouse also have a display. You almost all one after there. I think my time is limited. Okay, so Abontini, and this is the whole building. When you got closer to Gumo, Charlie. We shall around the crowd and say, Hanyana, how much is she bought? I say, for a second, I say, Hanom your mass production. Yeah, so as you can see, we are fed ground floor, and then we are also about to get into elevator. So we will go inside. That's another boxing. Okay, so she's just trying to send me to another floor or over once in a while. Okay, so even though say not this is not where we are coming, but yes or no, you can see a lot of production.
When we first go to the store, then we go down. You can see that.
Okay. Okay. So also on this floor until from then we come here. This whole store building is for them, and every floor they have like production ongoing. So okay. So this is how our production is there for some. As you can see, this is the actual factory. This is the actual factory. They are really doing production over here. Oh yeah. Uncle bake you. They are going to bake it, right? They are going to bake it.
Okay.
Yeah. Put it in fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Production line.
Okay. So it's a production line, and you can see building it well. Okay. So to my knowledge, I'm also one of the biggest factory I'm producing water closets and WC to the world. Yeah, to the world, and Kasanye, this is to the world. So, and you can see from here, upon all the floors now, you pass it by, still now there's a huge production going on here, and side, thousands of water closets are being produced like every single day. And this is the warehouse, one of the warehouse of milk production. Probably, I think say we know how the starting of the molding, until where this fresh baking, fresh clear, or the closet, and
Go down the next floor.
okay.
Let's go back.
Okay. All right. So I'm go back to the next floor to also check what is there. So I think so yeah, we really process, step by step production and try. And today is how I'm here now. And they have the most over here. The clay no here then. MOD. The MOD clay to get the actual products, as you can see. These are the most now clays in the world. So this place is quite dirty though. Wow. So this is how I had it. We munya clay. So this is how they started production. And then from there, it gets to that finishing products na yehuna. And this is how almost an KT technology is going. Yeah. So we'll go to the next floor. This place is very hot, trust me. Because things are happening when you're baking. Yeah, okay, so drying room, that's why. Yeah, so I said that place is drying room. That's why it's very hot. And then there's polishing and grinding. Yeah, so after say
repair the brick body.
okay. So I'm gonna be here. I had on with the banana my final polishing. I'm gonna polish home. This place is very busy. This place is very busy. So no wonder they produce 98% to the world because and very huge and very small production.
No, but it's the machine.
Okay.
You can see the machine and they find the crack.
Okay.
Why it have any cover?
Okay. See, to what she said, I say this machine is trying to.
One.
Okay. So almost polishing now from our repair any cracks via a room.
Drying room. Wait, this hour not with us.
Okay. Light in here, say there, but.
It's the glazing.
Okay.
Yes, and you can see the
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, glazing. So this is the glazing area. I said no more glazing na above that shiny part na here on. Yeah, and see. Wow. This factory is very big. Yeah. So we are going to the next floor. As you can see.
the logo.
Yeah, so
And
this yeah, to get a finishing product, It's a white color na yeah.
and then that's
Okay. So we'll be going to the next floor to see what's
tunnel kill. You can see the tunnel kill.
what?
It's the fire. So
Okay. Okay, so this floor, so you can see a very huge product over here. Production is going on, like very huge production is going on here. In South say they produce like 98% of what are closer to the water.
this one is 120 meters.
And each floor, I think say they have like about more than 10 floors. And every floor, yeah, no, there's a production going on there.
That's here.
Okay, so after Selma Glacier, you know, this is where the
The worker,
inspection of it goes.
the worker don't work here. It's the
Okay.
time to
Okay. Okay. So, inspection is not so cost what I say.
and
But workers don't work what they see. Yeah. So, this is the final part. This is the final process.
final process.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the floor.
This floor.
Yeah,
Okay.
the floor.
Okay, so I'll say south floor we normal finally present. Yeah, we just top one eye. You could be more modern clean and casa then, but we are more bakey and we are more glazing. And then finally, I say no more there. I'm more finish baby. I say, and so we will finish here. I'm more inspected to see say everything is okay, guys. This company is one of the biggest company in China. I'm producing water closets, and they are not in Guangzhou, they are not in Foshan. And
No.
yeah, so
And
this
they
is how
have
you can see from the floor.
they are loading.
Yeah, they are loading, and to be more others now one for a place now. They are going outside the world. It could be any place, anywhere in the world, and all these goods are being shipped. So that one can.